Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Google Ads easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize your Google Ads effectively, begin by logging into your Google Ads account. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the campaign you want to optimize. Click on the campaign to view its performance data. Next, review the key metrics such as clicks, impressions, and conversion rates. Identify which keywords are performing well and which are underperforming. For underperforming keywords, consider pausing or removing them to allocate your budget more effectively. Now, focus on ad copy. Test different variations of your ad text to see which resonates best with your audience. Ensure that your ad headlines are engaging and relevant to your target keywords. Use clear calls to action to encourage users to click on your ads. Moving on to bidding strategies, evaluate your current bidding method. Consider switching to automated bidding if you haven't done so already, as it can help maximize conversions. Next, analyze your ad extensions. Utilize sitelink, callout, and structured snippet extensions to provide additional information to potential customers. Make sure your landing pages are optimized for conversions. Check the loading speed and ensure that the content aligns closely with your ad. Lastly, monitor your campaigns regularly. Set up alerts for significant changes in metrics to stay informed. Continuously refine your keyword list based on performance and seasonal trends. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to optimizing your Google Ads for better performance and return on investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.